Well, hello there.
Hello.
So we're exactly where?
I don't know.
Is this the wilds of Elk Grove?
Sure. Sure.
So what is your plan for today?
Go scare a peacock.
Scare a peacock?
Yep.
Just one?
Multiple. There's about 3.
Where are they at? Let's go look. Shh, be very quiet. Are you sure it's there?
Yes.
Really? What do you think they're doing?
I'm gonna go scare him right now.
Let's go scare them. Get him!
Run on somebody's yard.
What did you do?
It just jumped out. It flew away.
Is that a fail or is that...
That's okay. I guess. I don't know. Don't like being on a camera.
Your thoughts on this episode of today?
I was expecting a louder, bigger reaction.
Bummer.
Bummer.
Fail.
It's kind of cool. Can we get in the car?
Sure. Let's go. Good job, Blake.